Faster than anything in this whole field.
You sure?
I'm absolutely sure. And you get to see it right now.
They need a wheelie bar for that.
Oh, it's got one. You just can't see it from here. Bomb. Oh my God.
Alright guys, motor toys, so we're back. Did this pass still on 6S, but on 3434, true 1-to-1 gears. Obviously got a lot more gearing to go, but this one was a 5.1 at 99 against a ZX6R 636. Not sure what he ran. I think it was maybe low 7s at, you know, low 90s. So we'll check on that. But yeah, I think based upon everything, an 8S pass might be in store. Stay tuned.